Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Can you believe it's almost Christmas? We will have Christmas trees arriving soon. So let's talk a little bit about where they come from and how they are grown. Our tree suppliers are located in the Pacific Northwest, where the three basic types of trees that we carry grow best. The cool, damp climate of northern Oregon and southern Washington is perfect for growing these varieties. They are grown on tree farms that are in the business with the sole function of planting, cultivating, and then harvesting trees for the holidays. This process is very similar to any other farm. There is a continual rotation of plants from seedlings to ready for the season trees. This cycle takes as many as 5 to 7 years of fertilizing and manicuring to form the perfect tree. During this time, these trees are doing their part to reduce carbon dioxide and produce oxygen for our environment. The plantation-grown sheared Douglas fir is our most popular tree because of its low cost and fragrant fir smell. For a more formal-looking tree, the noble fir is a favorite because of its stiffer branches and short, plump needles that offer a consistent color throughout the whole tree. And for more of a two-tone look, check out the Nordman fir with its flatter needle that is a dark green on the top side and a gray-silver color on the underside. When ready for market and the season comes around, these trees are harvested, packed on trucks, and shipped to tree lots throughout the country. As you can see, our growers have trees available in sizes from small tabletops like these to large specimens like these. Our trees will start arriving the week of Thanksgiving, and fresh harvested trees will arrive almost daily for the following 2 weeks. Because of the limited supply of some of the varieties this year, especially if you are looking for the noble firs or Nordman firs, you should shop early for the best selection. For the Douglas fir varieties, we should have plenty starting at just $29.88 each. When the holidays are over and you are finished with your tree, don't just throw it away, recycle it. If trees are left at the curbside for regular trash pickup, they will be taken to the landfill and use up valuable space. It truly can be an example of the recycling of life if it is returned to mulch to be used in one of our community parks or schools. And be sure to stay tuned in the upcoming weeks when I talk about proper selection and care for your tree. And don't forget, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.